So we're still looking at numerical integration, and the question that we look at is question 2 of this worksheet, and it says use the table below to find an approximation to this integral that we have here. Like the function is e to the x dx, and the limits are from 1.1 to 1.5. Okay, first of all we have to use the trapezoidal rule, then we also use the Simpson's rule. Okay, so let's begin with the trapezoidal rule. So firstly we are given our function from 1.1 to 1.5 of e to the x dx. Okay, then what other information are we given? X naught is equals to 1.1, um, then x sub 1 is 1.5. Okay, so x naught is equals to 1.1, then x sub 1 is equals to 1.5. So when it comes to the trapezoidal rule, it's written in this form where you have your a here to b, then our function f of x dx, okay, which is approximately h over 2, then open bracket, you have your f of x naught plus f of x sub 1 there, like that. Okay, I'm not going to include the error term, I'm going to leave it out. Okay, so one thing that we also know, or we are aware of, is the fact that for trapezoidal rule our x naught is equals to a, then our x sub 1 is equals to b, then our h is equals to b minus a, of which sometimes it can be written as h is equals to our b is simply x sub 1, our a is x naught, like that. Okay, so from here actually we already know to say our x naught is already given, which we have already written like right here. So let's now determine our h. Okay, so our h is just going to be equals to 1.5 minus 1.1. Okay, so we say 1.5 minus 1.1, we end up with that would be 0.4. Yeah, so our h is equals to 0.4. So we have everything that we need now. So we are going to say 1.5 to 1.1 e to the x dx is approximately equals to our h. We have already found that is 0.4. So we say 0.4 divided by 2, then f of x naught. So it simply means in this f of x, our f of x in this case is e to the x. We are going to say e, where there's x here, you substitute with what our x naught is. Our x naught is 1.1, so that would be 1.1. Then we say plus e to the x. Now here this x is going to be 1.5, which is our our x sub 1. So that would be 1.5. Okay, so here it's just a matter of using the calculator. So that's going to be um, e to the 1.1 plus e um, plus e to the 1.5. Okay, I get 7.4858555095. Then I multiplied by 0.4 divided by 2. Okay, so the answer that I end up with is 1.497171019. Okay, so now let's try to determine the exact value. This is the approximation. Let's try to determine the exact value so that we come up with the error. So here what we'll do is that we are going to integrate this. Okay, so if you integrate, e to the x is going to give you, is still e to the x. Okay, it's still e to the x. You evaluate from 1 to from 1.1 to 1.5. This is going to be equals to e to the 1.5 minus e to the 1.1. Okay, so we're going to say e to the 1.5 minus uh, minus e to the 1.1, like that. Okay, so the answer that I end up with is like, this is the exact value, by the way. It's 1.474 523,046. Okay, so this is the approximation and this is the error. Okay, so I just have to ensure I haven't left anything out. So that's what we have gotten there. So for the error, okay, for the error, error is equals to, I'm going to say exact value, which is 1.477523046 minus 1.497171019. Okay, so we subtract those two. Let me see what we are going to get. Okay, so we end up with an error of 0.019647972. Okay, so that's what we get. So this is when we apply the trapezoidal rule. Let's try to apply the Simpson's rule. We see what we are going to get. So one thing that we can just write down here, we save it so that we'll be able to make some comparisons. So the exact value is 1.477523046, like that. Then the approximation, what's our approximation? So our approximation is equals to 1.4971711019. Okay, so that's what we get as the approximation. Then the error, we know what we have gotten. For the error is equals to 0.019 647,972. Okay, so now let's go ahead and use this the given information to, like, we apply Simpson's rule, and you see what you're going to get. So these here are going to change. Okay, so when you go to the question itself, x naught is still the same. Actually, x naught is equals to 1.1. Then x sub 1 we are yet to find. X sub 2 is equals to 1.1.5. So x sub 1 has already been given as 1.1.3. They are already found for us, so that would be 1.1.3. So what about our h? Okay, for Simpson's rule, h is equals to b minus a divided by 2. So in this case, our b is 1.5 minus our a, which is 1.1, divide by 2. So you are simply saying 1.5 minus 1.1 is 0.4, divided by 2, that's going to be 0.2. So our h will be equals to 0.2 there, like that. Okay, so let's write the expression that we use under Simpson's rule. So when you're evaluating from x naught to x sub 2 of your function f of x dx, this will be equals to h divided by 3. In the brackets, you're going to have f of x naught plus 4 f of x sub 1 plus f of x sub 2 there, like that. And again, I'm leaving out the error term. So here we just supposed to substitute. So we are going to have 0.2 as our h divided by 3. Then f of x naught. So here, if you get this, you substitute here. And of course, actually, I think it's already given in the question. It's f of x naught is 3 point. Let me just try to confirm on my calculator. So 1.1. Yeah, that's the same value. 3.0042. Okay, so here we have 3.0042 plus. Here I'm going to say 4 multiplied by f of x sub 1. Sub 1 is 1.3, which is, if we say e to the, I just have to confirm this. So 1.3. Okay, yeah, it's the same. 3.6693. Okay, 3.6693 plus f of 2. Okay, so that is e to the 1.5, so that would be 4.4817. They are using 4 decimal places. I believe that's the, yeah, it's exactly the way it is here. So it's just a matter of now summing all these up. So we are saying 4 multiplied by 3.6693, we get that value, plus 4.4817 plus 3.0042 multiplied by 0.2 divided by 3. Okay, so the answer that I get by applying Simpson's rule is so by the way, this was, we can just try to highlight this. This was for trapezoidal rule. Then down here, I'm going to write for Simpson's rule. So for Simpson's rule, the exact value is the same as we have there. Then the approximation I found 1.47754. Then what about the error? Okay, what about the error? Okay, the error is going to be equals to, so what I'm going to do is that since um, this one is in terms of like 5 decimal places, I'm just going to use 5 decimal places of this one as well. We subtract, so we're going to say our error will be equals to our exact value, which is 1.47752. Is that 5? Yeah, minus 1.47754, like this. So when we subtract 1.47752, the value that I get as my error is very small. It's 0.00002. Okay, so one thing you're able to observe is that this is the error that we get under Simpson's rule. This is the error that we get under trapezoidal rule, and you can actually make your conclusion. Okay, our conclusion is that uh, Simpson's rule. Okay, of course, they are not really asking us, but we can just make that conclusion. Simpson's rule um, is more accurate. Okay, is more accurate when you look at the values that you get as well as the errors. So that's basically how you answer that question. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.